Hey, hello guys, this is Praful Kulkarni. Welcome back to Alpha Leo. And today was the first day of trading for the financial year 21 and 22. And the trades didn't go as expected, right? Market, just like the last three expiries, it's been extremely volatile, especially on the expiry day. The gamma moves are ferocious and the slippages have been just आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, राइट. आज भी हमारा काफी ज्यादा स्लिपेजेस हुए, दोनों तरफ से स्टॉप लॉसेस हिट हुए, एंड देयर वाज एट वन पॉइंट वेयर आई लॉस्ट ऑलमोस्ट 8 पॉइंट्स टू स्लिपेज इन वन पोजीशन. तो इट वाज अ फ्रीक ट्रेड, मतलब फ्रीक स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग बोल सकते हैं. आउटकम फॉर द डे, सो वी मेड अराउंड 17k ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स. All right, and that all the 17k, the entire 17k of profits came from Bank Nifty straddles, and Nifty के discretionary account में we ended cost to cost. We started the year on a positive note, and I've explained all the adjustments. सारे adjustments मैंने explain किया है. So watch the video till the end, and जितना takeaways हो सके उतना takeaways ले लो, and we'll come back stronger on Monday, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you. Good morning guys, the date is 1st of April, the first day of the next financial year, and the time is 9:23, and this is the Bank Nifty account जहां पे मैंने positions ले चुका है and the stop loss orders have been set. Positions क्या है, क्या लिया है, I'll be explaining in a bit. And this is my Nifty positions, यहाँ पे भी मैंने positions ले रखा है, and I'm going to add a bit of additional positions to this also. All right, ठीक है. क्या किया हमने? We have around 3000 quantities. The funds used is only 14 lakhs, right? 14 lakhs ही funds use किए हैं. If required, we will be further adding the quantities. अभी currently we are looking at around 1 point of gain here, and यहाँ पे we are looking at almost 4.55 के profits. Stop loss अब रख दिए हमने. So क्या किया हमने? In the current week options, in the current week expiry, we have shorted 33,600 straddle, and in the next week expiry, we have shorted 33,500 straddle. So because of that, there is some sort of a balancing that we have brought into our position. And यहाँ पे क्या किया है? यहाँ पे we are sitting on a strangle, 14,700 and 14,900 strangle पे बैठे हैं, and at the same time, we have also, as I told yesterday, थोड़ा quantity मैंने straddle पे भी बैठूंगा, that is 14,800 straddle. So what is the adjustment points? Correct, the adjustment points will be, all right, so this should act as a pivotal level, right? This is a pivotal level. अगर days low को breach करता है, and then if it takes out this 14,775 levels को अगर breach करता है, then we're going to shift all the puts to 14,850 puts को नीचे लेके आएंगे, and at the same calls को नीचे लेके आ जाएंगे, and at the same time these puts will be shifted slightly away. Half of these puts will be slightly shifted away to 14,750, and at the same time this 14,800 put option will be trading with a lot of caution. And also let's set stop loss for these quantities. Stop loss कैसे set करेंगे? Since it is 17 rupees, I don't want them to expand more than 26 rupees. So let's keep it 27 rupees. So 27 will be the stop loss for this, and at the same time 14,800 PE को भी मुझे stop loss रखना पड़ेगा. The combined premium of 14,800 straddle is 54 plus 48, 103 rupees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep around 94 rupees as the, or 89 rupees as the stop loss for this. ठीक है? So the put side stop loss is there, and at the same time I'm not expecting a huge rally towards the call side, because call side अगर rally होती भी है तो there are lots of resistances here. यहाँ पे एक resistance है, and यहाँ पे कल की closing price resistance है. So until 14,830 or 14,840 levels are breached, nothing to be done to the current position. Guys, the time is close to 10:45, and हमने क्या किया है? We made a few adjustments. क्या क्या है? We have risked off our puts completely from 14,650, and we are sitting at 14,600 puts. and we have shifted all our calls from 14,900 and we have shifted all the calls to 14,850. Now 14,800 जो straddle था उसको हमने निकाल दिए with a decent amount of 6k profits. That is 10 point DK we collected in the 14,800 straddle and we closed that 14,800 straddle. Now what we have done is we have positioned ourselves in 14,750 straddle. Correct? तो इसका adjustment कहां पे होगा? If 14,800 is breached or 14,700 is breached, this straddle will be closed with whatever profit or whatever loss it will be giving at that point of time. Currently, the 14,600 puts are trading around 50% higher to my call premiums, but the reversal risk is real, and that's why I'm not moving my calls lower. And 14,600 should be a good place to hold because 14,700 itself is a good support for the day. And if it starts breaching down, then we have bigger problems to be worried. And currently, we are sitting at around 37k of profits in my Nifty account. That equates to somewhere around 9 points of DK. So we have collected 9 points of overall DK. And on the Bank Nifty front, we are looking at 6k profits, which is close to, since we are trading with 6 lots today, which is close to around 45 points of DK. 45 points of DK. And Bank Nifty का कैसा है? Everything is trading in the range of 500 to 600 and all our stop losses are in the range of 750 plus and 800. So I am thinking that these stop losses should not be hit, considering that tomorrow is a holiday and we have a long weekend. So these options should give up a lot of their time value over the course of the day. तो इसलिए कुछ ज्यादा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. And we have already kept the stop losses on the puts. 14,600 puts को 18 rupees पे हमने stop loss लिया है. So suppose even if the stop loss gets hit, so what we're gonna do is we are going to suddenly move our puts another strike lower and we're going to come out of that. So we have another 3 rupees for the puts to spike up, and these puts will spike up by 3 rupees in less than a minute. So if that happens, we have already made around 41k of profits in Nifty account and around 7k of 6k profits in Bank Nifty account. So any further updates, I'm going to update you guys. Alright guys, looks like we are heading for a massive selling here. It didn't even respect the CPR and there has been a good solid 60-70 points of fall. So what we have done is we have completely risked off from the put side. So 14,600 पे जो puts था सबको निकाल के हमने 14,550 पे डाल दिया है. And 14,850 का जो calls है, we have only shifted 1/3 quantity of the 14,850 calls to 14,800 calls. That's because the reversal risk, as I'm saying, is real. तो अगर market ऊपर भी आता है, yes, this 14,800 calls will spike up a bit hard, but this 14,750 straddle will be acting as a contra trade to give us the profits, and it will be absorbing all the losses that would be given by this 14,800 call. And on the Bank Nifty front, still nothing to be worried about because everything is trading below 600 bucks. Once it starts testing 700 bucks, any of the legs starting to 700 bucks, we'll be looking at making any adjustments or closing the position altogether. Alright guys, within a span of 5 minutes, we gave up all the gains, and looks like the market is never going to give anyone some, a bit of peace. So suddenly there was these candles and which took everyone's stop losses, and suddenly from plus 42k, like we are looking at a negative MTM, and thankfully the Bank Nifty trade is doing okay, and we are sitting on currently a 100-point triangle between 14,650 and 750 and a 300-point triangle at 14,800 and 14,500. So I might shift like half of the quantities to 14,550 also. So depending upon close to 1250, and Nifty यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत consolidation हो चुका है, and that is given some sort of a relief for us. So यहाँ पे जो spikes थे, upward spikes, वहीं पे भी मतलब हमारा काफी ज्यादा slippage हो गया था, and now what we are looking at is we are sitting on a 14,750 straddle with 600 quantity, and 14,600 and 850 250 points triangle पे भी हम बैठे हैं, which contains around 16 points. So minus around 3 points in the hedges. So we are looking to collect around 13 points of DK in that. So if we get 13 points of DK also, we would be doing fairly okay, and not many adjustments to be done from this point of time. Stop loss orders सब जगह पे रखे हैं, so we won't be doing a lot of adjustments from now on. It's just like risk reward trades, क्योंकि random 30-35 point moves in either direction, and especially the option premiums. ठीक है, see, these moves are not that ferocious, but these option premiums are spiking very ferociously. That is because I feel that is because of the margin restrictions that SEBI has given. what that has done is जितने लोग ऑप्शन सेलर्स थे वो सब अभी ऑप्शन बाइंग पे शिफ्ट हो गया. सो देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिमांड एंड रिड्यूस सप्लाई. तो इस टाइम पे क्या हो जाता है, सो व्हेन देर इज अ सडन डिमांड फॉर ऑप्शंस, the prices suddenly spike up, so which is very bad for option sellers, especially if you are maintaining stop losses. तो stop losses काफी ज्यादा हिट होने शुरू होते हैं and there will be a lot of slippages and suddenly ऊपर जाता है and before we execute another position suddenly वो जो spike था वो नीचे आ जाता है. So lot of such problems will be facing and we have collected close to around 2 points of DK now and not expecting much from today because looks like the market is not giving any sort of peace for option sellers. And if this is the market from now on, so we'll be looking at taking some sort of positional trades once the market cools down after March. So April में देखेंगे कैसे रहता है. This will be the first trade of this financial year and I don't want this trade to be screwed. And at the same time we won't be taking any additional risk. ये जो क्वांटिटी है उसको भी हम इसको भी अनलोड करते करते जाएंगे ओवर द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम. बट एज ऑफ नाउ सिंस वी आर हॉवरिंग बिटवीन 14,730 एंड 14,760, तो नथिंग टू बी वरीड अबाउट. वंस वी ब्रीच 14,775 और 14,725 विल बी कमिंग आउट ऑफ द पोजीशन विथ हाउ मच एवर प्रॉफिट्स इट हैज गिवन. करंटली दिस स्ट्रैडल इज वर्थ अराउंड $80. सो 80 रुपीज इस स्ट्रैडल में वर्थ है एंड दोनों लेग्स को 67 एंड 67 पे हम स्टॉप लॉस रखे हैं. Coming to Bank Nifty is doing quite okay and it has given around 14k of mark to market profits. We are at currently 14k mark to market and it's the best mark to market of the day, right? And यहाँ पे we don't see any threat unless the market breaks out above 33,700 or below 33,000. So we still have another 1% towards the upside and 1% towards the downside for this to take any of our stop losses. But इसका क्या प्लान है? इसका प्लान ये है कि as soon as this level gets breached, like 33,500 gets or 33,600 gets breached, we'll be looking to book the profits because that's when maximum of the profits will be given by the straddle. Because हमारा straddle कहाँ पे, हमारा straddle 33,400 पे एक है, 33,500 पे एक है. So 33,500 के आसपास आ जाता है तो both of the straddles will be giving a good amount of DK. And अगर गलती से इस लो को अगर ब्रीच हो जाता है 33,200 अगर ब्रीच हो जाता है टुवर्ड्स द डाउनसाइड, देन विल बी कंप्लीटली स्क्वेयरिंग ऑफ अ पोजीशन विद व्हाटएवर मार्क टू मार्केट विल बी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ऑलराइट गाइस, द टाइम इज 1:15. तो हम क्या देख रहे हैं, देयर हैज बीन अ सडन अपवर्ड स्पाइक. अपवर्ड स्पाइक किससे आ रहा है? कोटक बैंक से आ रहा है, राइट? देयर हैज बीन अ मैसिव शॉर्ट कवरिंग इन कोटक बैंक एंड कोटक बैंक की वजह से वी आर विटनेसिंग अ ह्यूज upward spike even in Nifty as well, correct? ये जो upward spike है continuously नीचे से almost 1750 से लेके 1786, almost a 2.5% rally in Kotak Bank, and because of that we saw even Bank Nifty spiking up, and because of that Nifty is also spiking up. So nothing special, like we have been looking at these markets, this kind of market for a while now. The market is like extremely irrational. It's trying to सब मतलब जो वीक ऑप्शन सेलर्स है उनको सब निकालने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं एंड हम भी इतने स्ट्रांग नहीं है. एंड व्हाट वी डिड इज वी गॉट आउट ऑफ 14,750 स्ट्रैडल. 14,750 जो स्ट्रैडल था, जस्ट एक 2 मिनट हुआ है, एक 3-4 मिनट हुआ है. वी स्क्वायर्ड इट अप एट 75 रुपीज, 76 रुपीज टू बी प्रिसाइज. 76 रुपीज पे हमने स्क्वायर ऑफ कर दिया है एंड देयर हैज बीन अ ह्यूज अपवर्ड स्पाइक, सडन अपवर्ड स्पाइक. ओ माय गॉड, लाइक वेट, we are looking at from plus 42k we are at minus 7k. We had almost gone to around MTM of minus 15, minus 16k, but now currently we're sitting in mark to market of 8.5k. But our Bank Nifty trades are doing pretty okay. Bank Nifty trades already 18-19k का profit दे चुका है. So we're gonna hold on to this because we are currently at the money, and so basically every leg is pretty much close to trading close to cost to cost. So we don't have to worry about our Bank Nifty trade here. But the only worrying thing about is the random spikes that we're getting in Nifty. That is also because of everything is basically moving in tandem. अगर मूव करता है तो the whole index is moving. Reliance, HDFC, Kotak Bank, Nifty, IT, सब जगह पे एक टाइम बाइंग आ रहा है, सब जगह पे एक टाइम सेलिंग आ रही है. So because of that, so we are looking at look at that, like the loss has again mounted to around 11k MTM. And the surprising thing is even when the market was heading higher, the VIX was shooting up. So, and suddenly another breakout kind of a thing that we are looking at, so MTM wise again we are sliding down. So if we reach around 20k of MTM, we are coming out of the positions. So 17k, 18k. Okay, the puts are not at all decaying and the calls are spiking up. And anyways, we have a stop loss for the calls at around 14 bucks. So it looks like we might have to take these a bit. So once these stop losses are hit, so we have to short 14,950 calls. So we'll keep that ready. Just trading at around 5 rupees. At least we'll make back like whatever we have lost. So that's the point today. So it's impossible to trade in these kinds of market, especially these steep gamma moves. I mean, everywhere the markets are kind of behaving totally erratically. So we have another 70 points here. So 14,870 पे एक huge up move. So if we hit the stop loss here, like we'll be shorting this 14,950 calls at whatever price it is. So we don't care what price it is at. So we'll just try to collect the premiums. We'll just try to collect as much as possible and we'll just try to exit cost to cost on that. Alright guys, the time is close to 1:40 and we are looking at a drawdown of around 5 points. 5 points of drawdown, and very tricky markets to trade, because moves like this, especially on the expiry day, can completely catch us off guard. And even Bank Nifty is kind of halting at the day's high. If the day highs get taken out, then we might see a further short covering rally. So we don't want that to happen. So अभी हमने क्या किया है, we have completely risked off ourselves. कोई मतलब अंदर नहीं आ रहा है. So we have completely taken a 200 points triangle, 4,200 quantity with 16 points to collect, and minus the hedge is 15 points to collect. So that 15 points should take away all this negative MTM losses. And at the same time, we have kept the stop loss of 13 rupees on the call side and 15 rupees on the put side. The call side stop loss मैंने इसलिए पास में रखा है because breakout बहुत पास में है. अगर breakout हो जाता है तो it doesn't take like much of the time to suddenly take this stop loss out, because call side IV भी काफी ज्यादा है. Alright guys, the time is close to 2:30 and we have been losing heavily onto the slippages. So अभी फिलहाल the loss is currently 10k and Bank Nifty में क्या किया है, we have closed out the entire positions at somewhere around 140. एक 1 hour के पहले सारे positions close कर दिए and we have booked around 17k profits in Bank Nifty. And in the Nifty, we are currently looking at around 9k of loss and we are sitting on a 150 points triangle which is worth around 11 rupees minus the hedges 10 rupees. So we are here to collect another 10 points. So this should be the final adjustments of the day, and we won't be doing any further adjustments unless we are forced to do, unless the market forces us to do something really erratic. तो अभी 14,900 का जो कॉल है तो 11 रुपीज पे ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, 11 रुपीज पे उसका स्टॉप लॉस रखा है, एंड 14,750 का पुट है उसका भी 11 रुपीज पे स्टॉप लॉस रखा है. द स्ट्रैंगल इटसेल्फ इज वर्थ अराउंड 11 रुपीज. तो as and when we get any 1 point of decay or 2 points of decay, for every 2 point of decay we get from this triangle, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep on reducing the stop loss. So दोनों तरफ से stop loss को close करते आएंगे the moment we start getting a good decay on either sides. So that's the point now. Suddenly these puts are spiking up. Wow. What the hell? What the hell? Alright guys, we got properly fucked over. I don't know like if I'm supposed to use this word, but properly fucked over in this candle. ठीक है, मार्केट कहीं नहीं गया था. दिस कैंडल, ये जो कैंडल दिख रही है, दिस, ये जो कैंडल है, ये कैंडल, ये विक पे हमारा जो स्टॉप लॉस था, for no reason it got triggered and it was 6 point stop loss. 6 point stop loss कम नहीं होता है guys, like 6 point stop loss is not at all less because the quantities were 4200 quantity. यहाँ पे जो for no reason we got stopped out at this point and suddenly this was a 25,000 loss that we didn't deserve. ठीक है, मार्केट ने ना नीचे आया, मार्केट ने ना ऊपर गया, मार्केट वहीं था. बिकॉज ऑफ समवन्स मैनिपुलेशन वी गॉट स्टॉप्ड आउट एंड इट वाज एक्सट्रीमली फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग एंड इट्स नॉट इवन स्लिपेज गाइस, लाइक दिस इज जस्ट प्योर मैनिपुलेशन. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी हैड ऑलमोस्ट गॉन टू ऑलमोst 35, 36, 37k loss, but somehow we have managed to recover everything back and we have another 0.35, another 1 or 2 rupees left. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit through the end of the day, another 25 minutes left. So at least the hope is to recover at least the charges back. I mean, if I feel that okay, we're going to tighten our stop losses. सबका stop loss 4 रुपए पे है and we're going to tighten it to around 3 rupees. Modify 3 and modify 3. So this is just to recover the charges and just close it in positive. So today was just extremely frustrating, totally not my day, but yes, days like these happen. First the short covering rallies and then slippages and then a proper solid stop loss hunting. So nothing can be done guys. So these kinds of things, some things are like totally out of your control and you can't do much about all these things. So the only thing is to just dust yourself up, take new day as a fresh day and head on from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and yes, कई जगह पे मैंने explain नहीं कर पाया completely. It's because sudden moves and sudden slippages, you know, it will take us completely off guard and हमें position manage करने में मैं ज़्यादा I'll be focusing more on managing my positions and I wouldn't be explain to you guys like what the adjustments to be made. But if you keep on observing my YouTube other videos, you definitely get to know at least the basic methods of how to adjust and where to adjust. So currently we have another 80 pice and 90 pice left in this. So I'll just let these orders to be decayed and yeah, we have anyway we have placed our stop losses. If everything goes smoothly, so we'll be collecting another 1 rupee from this and Bank Nifty account we have collected around 17k. So overall we have gained for the day, but these slippages it was not at all. Actually without that slippage I would be somewhere around 30k mark to market. I would be somewhere around 30k mark to market, but because of that slippage I lost 25k just like that for no reason. We didn't deserve that and not just me, nobody deserves, you know, such kind of manipulation and getting stopped out and getting fucked over by someone. So yeah, so having said that, another 23 minutes, another 22 minutes for the markets to close and we have already tightened our stop losses to 3 rupees. What we're going to do is we're going to tighten our stop loss to 2 rupees. So if the stop loss is hit, that will be the end of the trading day. So if not, I'll be just manually coming out of the positions, no more trades and not my day. Totally completely, I mean definitely not my day. And alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Like tomorrow we have a holiday and everyone has a long weekend. So I hope you guys have a good enjoyable weekend, relax and जो भी हुआ अच्छा हुआ तो enjoy करो, बुरा हुआ तो भूल जाओ and we'll catch you on Monday. Thank you.